Welcome, everyone. Today we delve into the beautiful world of woodworking, an art form that combines skill, creativity, and the timeless beauty of wood. Join me as we explore how this craft plays a pivotal role in our lives and history. The roots of woodworking trace back to the dawn of civilization. Ancient builders crafted furniture, tools, and dwellings from wood, shaping the very societies we live in today. Wood comes in many varieties, each with its own properties. Hardwoods like cherry and walnut are prized for their strength and grain, making them ideal for fine furniture. Softwoods, such as cedar and spruce, are lighter and easier to work with, perfect for sculptures and trim. Mastering woodworking requires familiarity with a wide range of tools. From hand saws and mallets to modern power tools like circular saws and jigsaws, each tool has its specific purpose and proper usage. Let's construct something together. We'll start with a classic project, a sturdy wooden chair. We'll select our wood, cut it to size, assemble the pieces with dowels and glue, and finally, sand and finish with a protective coat. Advanced techniques in woodworking can include joinery, inlays, and even wood turning. These skills allow for the creation of complex furniture and decorative items that are as functional as they are beautiful. Here's a fun fact. The violin, one of the most complex musical instruments, is a masterpiece of woodworking. It involves over 70 pieces of wood, precisely shaped and fitted together to create not just an object, but a source of music. Remember, woodworking is not without its risks. Always follow safety guidelines, such as keeping the workspace clean and machinery maintained. And never forget to wear protective gear. Woodworking also offers environmental benefits. By choosing sustainably sourced wood and using eco-friendly finishes, we can enjoy our craft while protecting the planet. As we conclude, remember that woodworking is more than just cutting and joining wood. It's about crafting stories and heritage, creating objects that carry meaning and withstand time. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to pick up a tool and start creating. Whether you're making a simple birdhouse or an elegant dining table, the world of woodworking is full of possibilities. Stay creative and safe, and happy woodworking.